Cooking with Caroline and Carissa.
We're making a fun dinner tonight. It's a Polish dinner. It's so good.
Her mom Polish night.
Yes, Polish night. She's Polish. Her mom would make this so much for us when we were younger, and it was my favorite.
So now, since we're young adults, it's time to take matters into our own hands, and we are trying this for the first time. So it might be a fail.
Yeah, it might be a fail, but you'll be with us for the journey.
Try and attempt to make this.
What is it called?
Knedle z truskawkami.
In English, it's basically dough with strawberries inside. It sounds so weird, but it's so good. Like, guys, it's so good. I'm so excited. I've been dreaming about these since the last time her mom has made them for me, and that was probably like 2 years ago.
Yeah.
And I'm so excited. We have all the ingredients here. Do it. So we got the water boiling also. Yes. You can probably see it over there. It's boiling. We have to peel the potatoes.
It's already boiling. By the way, a lot of salt in that water, just like you would with pasta. So we are going to
wash the potatoes, peel them, and then boil them. That's the first step. Yeah, the potatoes, the dough is made out of potatoes, which is like, what? But guys, this is Polish, and we're done with this American food, okay? We are being...
I'm also going to film a TikTok while we're doing this.
She is. We also recorded this whole intro, and then I wasn't recording. First YouTube fail.
Gosh, why is this
Let's go.
First time using a peeler.
Funny story. Caroline didn't have, like,
any of this.
Certain, like, basic cooking tools around. Like, I would come to her house and be like, okay, let's make pancakes. Where's your spatula? She's like, spatula? We don't have one. I'm like...
Because my mom is just so old-fashioned with her cooking, like...
Sure, her mom and dad are from Poland. So, like, they're very, very Polish. So,
This is so nice.
Yeah, it's her first time using a peeler.
We just use a knife.
Which, like, you get the job done. It's fine. It's just so funny.
It takes so long.
There's actually this other thing, but this isn't because they're Polish. They had a toaster, and she caught it on fire and threw it in the snow. So they didn't have a toaster.
So if that
for
happened
like
in California, that wouldn't be bad.
You need 3
potatoes, peel them, and then dice it.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Always work in a team. Like, look, she's peeling, I'm dicing, and we're getting it done fast. But yeah, so this recipe we just found on Google, and it was all in Polish. So she just has to make sure that all this is right, because I can't read Polish.
Yeah.
So if it fails, it's her fault.
And then how long do potatoes cook for? I feel
until they're softened. Like, I don't think it's like, yeah, just until they get soft.
Okay.
So this is what we're gonna put in the pan. We are making a strawberry smoothie to go over this knedle. I don't know how to say it in Polish. It's like a really nice topping for it, or you can just drink it.
Doing this for the sweetness. This is a Thermomix. It's very popular in Poland. It's actually in Polish.
What?
Like, my thing is Polish. But it tells you like how long it goes for. There's also recipes that you can like follow, and then it tells you exactly what to do, and like there's heating in the thing and how like strong the mix is. And it also weighs your ingredients. Like right now it's at 0, but like if I put my hand on top, it's at like 1,000 whatever grams.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's like a little robot.
Oh yeah. Woo! Getcha. So we just strained the potatoes, and now we're just gonna mash them up.
Like, you have to really mash it really, really well.
We just moved the potatoes to a bowl to let it cool.
So all you need to do is cut it in half. Okay, another thing is, I know there's a lot of Polish people out there, so don't come at me if you haven't tried this dish. Each like little part of Poland has their own traditions. My parents are from the Śląsk, so they have just like a bunch of their own little food tradition things.
Mamusa is calling you. Mama.
Mama.
So you put an egg in. That was for a date.
And then we're gonna put a cup of flour.
We also have another thing of boiling water going, because after all you make all this, you have to put it back in the boiling water.
The flour in gradually. That's good. I seem like making slime with my cousins. Okay, keep going. Looks like nice ass dough. Look at this.
Some dough in your oven. That looks good, dude.
Damn, we did that. Oh my god, what? I can't believe we did this.
Dude, I'm proud. So beware to get your counters dirty. You're gonna get dirty. It's gonna be a fun time. 3 ingredient
We're so
dough.
proud of this and it wasn't even that hard.
Wow, your kneading skills are all amazing.
Thanks.
Down and dirty. I don't know how to knead. Why? You made it look so easy and simple.
So let's take like
Oh
that
yeah,
much.
good.
Roll it into a ball.
Yes. And you flatten it.
Okay, and then I'm going to take. See, I feel like half is enough.
Well, these are tiny balls. Your mom would usually make big balls.
Yeah.
That's what she said. Yeah, we can do like whatever size we want.
And then you just put it in there.
Guys, there's a strawberry in here. How cute. Oh, this one's good, guys. Who's the real Polish one? Wife me up. I really have faith in these guys. Like, I'm so excited to just stuff these in my mouth, and I cannot wait.
So now we're just
Putting them in the boiling water for 5 minutes. Guys, pray for us that this works. See ya in 5 minutes. It has been 5 minutes. We just took them out of the
They're like
pot.
literally steaming.
They're steaming. You can see the steam coming out of them. Ooh, baby. We're gonna make a separate sauce for Carolina. I'll try it too, but
She has no faith in this sauce.
I do. It's sour cream and sugar. It could be good. I just have never had that before. I'm gonna also cut up these strawberries so they're smaller because I'm gonna put them on top. And she's making her sour cream sauce here. She put
So I put some sour cream and then just like eyeball the sugar. As I put the whole freaking bag. It's like yogurt.
I'm gonna dip a strawberry in the sauce.
Oh,
so
it's the best. I used to do that all the time.
Let's see what the
You're
critic
gonna be
really
shocked.
thinks.
You're gonna be shocked.
It's good. Okay, it tastes like that fruit dip that like when you have a big thing of fruit and then it comes with like a little yogurt fruit dip. That's what it tastes like. So it's pretty good, but I kind of prefer my strawberry smoothie on top. No, they're perfect in my eyes.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna put some of that on too, actually.
Oh, now who's jealous?
Oh my god, that looks so good.
It looks really good, guys. You wish you were here, honestly. And you guys need to make this. Like, run to your grocery store and make this. I'm not joking. I'm so excited. I hope these are as good as I
Damn.
remember. Guys, let's take a second.
What the?
Let's take a second because we really just did this.
We have to taste test, but this looks insane.
There's no way this isn't good.
So good.
Guys, these look amazing. Taste test. Oh, I'm too excited.
Done.
No, it's done. It's fine. That's what it looks like.
Okay, wait. I'm actually gonna flip this.
Tip.
It's a little fun,
It's a little undercooked, but it's still amazing.
but it's still really good.
I'm telling you guys, you need to make this. It was not hard. I thought it took like a full day to make this. Like, that might sound stupid, but like, that's what I thought.
Cause like dough, like you think that
Yeah.
the dough takes a long time.
This is so easy. It was like, what, 5 ingredients, 6 ingredients? You need potatoes, flour, strawberries, eggs,
1 egg.
and you can make a strawberry smoothie or like kind of whatever to just put on top. And it's that easy. Like, do this and you will not regret it.
Damn, we killed this, honestly. I'm like in a different world right now.
I know. This is like what always my favorite.
so good.
We did so good.
By the way, this is actually really important to say. You can put anything you want. Polish people also eat this with like meat inside, or they put like sweet cheese inside, or they put plums. Plums is a huge important, like a huge one. Yeah, a lot of people do it with plums, but you can also put meat inside, and you can make it like the opposite, like savory.
Food, baby, yeah. These turned out amazing. I honestly did not know if this was gonna like turn out.
We killed it.
We really did kill that.
It's
we
like
murdered
that's like
it.
underestimating us. Like we just
absolutely destroyed this.
We destroyed it.
I thought it was gonna be way harder than it was. Like, there's not that many ingredients. It took maybe an hour, and that's just because we were like making videos.
Yeah.
Like,
No, it would literally take
like in a half
like
hour.
No
if you're in a rush
I'm
to
literally
like
licking my plate.
Yeah. If you're in a rush to like make a meal, a good meal, like a quality meal. It is like on the sweeter side unless like you put like meat or other things in the dough.
If you do it with meat, you can also put like gravy on top. That could be
that would be good.
Yeah.
There's just like a lot of opportunity with this meal.
A lot of opportunity within.
There is.
Also, I'm pretty sure you can make gnocchi out of that dough.
Yeah, that's what we think. So maybe that'll be our next cooking video.
Yeah, actually, yeah. They can make really good gnocchi.
We'll do it on FaceTime together. That'll be our next video. Sad. Yeah, make this for your mother, your aunt, your grandma, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. Like, make it for yourself. Make this meal for yourself.
Make it for yourself. That's good. You know what? You deserve it. Make it for yourself. Or, you know what? Send this video to somebody and then have them make it for you.
Yeah, because you deserve it. Sit on the couch and let them make you a nice meal, okay?
Exactly.
Who hurt us? On that note, that is the end of this video. Make this at home. This is amazing. I hope you enjoyed as much as we enjoyed this. It was a lot of fun. I'm gonna miss my bestie, but we'll be together soon. We'll do another collab. Don't you all worry, okay?
Caroline Carissacelli.
Yeah, good things coming soon. Keep your eye out. But thank you so much for watching. You're the best. Love you.
Bye.